Alright guys, we got some more goodies here for the Type S. These are some RV6 rear lower control arm adjustable that we're gonna put on the Type S.
So they're basically rear camber arms, but they're for the lower part.
Yeah, to line back up the wheels. I'm a person that like everything back to factory setting when I do this kind of stuff. So let me open up this.
I guess the best thing about this is you can adjust the camber below the car instead of it being at the top. So we'll show you guys where it's going to be adjusted and everything. I didn't even know about these. I guess these just came out the end of last year, because I would definitely got it from my Type R. So
yep. All right guys, this is the package in here. They also send you some goodies. You got some Tootsie Rolls. What the other thing? What
is that? Airhead?
Airhead? Is it Airhead?
Yeah.
Yep. Send you some Airheads and everything.
Stickers.
You got stickers.
Stuff for your keys, little like some type of lanyard.
Yeah, and they actually send you a little should they send you a little thing here too?
Oh yeah, a little
like badge. A little badge. They send you a little badge right there, which is real nice. Nice touch. It's real nice. Alright, let me show you what we got in these boxes. This is what it looks like.
Cool, so you have all your adjustment and everything.
Now, see, now this here comes pre-adjusted, so you don't have to adjust anything. It's supposed to just bolt right up in there. You just bolt it right up in the spot. You don't have to adjust anything. The only thing has to be adjusted is when you go to the alignment shop and they do all the adjustment.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
So it just bolts right in.
It's red. They got the logo.
Yeah, nice powder coat.
What kind of bushings are these?
Spherical bushings.
Cool.
All right, well, let me get these things put on.
Taking off the wheels, we're going to jack it up in the air and rotate the tires as well. I think we just hit what, 5,000 miles, right?
5,300 or something.
5,300 miles. So all right guys, we're gonna lift the car up with the quick jacks. So as you guys see in the previous videos, we installed the Swift springs and the spacers. We did the 20 mil Bonus Force spacers. So
up.
And these are the spacers. That's how they look in the car.
Okay, come forward.
Swift springs. So that's what we're gonna be replacing right there, guys. On this side. So we'll show you guys how to remove it. Replacing this bolt right here.
Yep. This bolt is coming out.
And then it has a built-in
this one right here.
Back-end piece back here. As y'all can see. I don't know why it's so dark on my camera, but yeah. Right here. And then I'll show you guys that nut faces the back of the bumper, so you gotta put it back on that same way. So now let's get some tools and unbolt it. Okay, so 17 on each side. Cool. Alright, it's out. There you go, just like that.
And then he's using the back of that. Yep.
Pull a wrench. Like the one, the curved one.
Yep.
That's what we need.
There you go, I got it. Damn, the whole thing fell out.
Alright guys, we just took the one off the right hand side here, the right hand side arm, and this is the one we're gonna put on. We want the RV6 performance logo to be facing backwards like this. So this one will go on this side here, and as you can see, it lines right up with the one that comes off. That's what they say. It just bolts right up in there. You don't have to do any adjustment or anything like that.
Yeah, it lines up perfectly. Yep, so there's no adjusting. Yep.
So,
and these should already be tight and everything.
Yep, all of those are already tight.
Yep, so you just gotta put it on.
Just gotta put it in. Just bolt it up in there. All right, let's get cracking. Put this one up in there.
Yep, just make sure it lines up.
Yeah, I mean this one is.
You start threading it in, and then this one kind of just have to adjust it and plug it in. There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
So then he's putting the nut on now. So now you tighten down the inner one first?
Yeah, but they make a difference. I don't think it should make a difference, right?
Yeah.
All right, that's one right there.
There we go. So now we're doing the driver's side, guys, and should be it. Take the thing out. Oh, perfect. We could do it that way. What was that? All of these are 17s?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So they just need
A 17 wrench.
kind of ratchet. I don't know, that's on the socket. That's it.
In the socket, yeah. I like how they, if you notice for the driver's side, where the gas tank, they made like an indentation so the bolt could come out, which is nice. You see that?
Yeah.
They made like an indentation so the bolt could come out.
Yep.
Perfect.
Right there,
wow. That's smart of them. Against this thing. There you go. There you go. And you just pull it out from the bottom.
And there we go.
And put it the same way?
Yep. Same way. Same way like that.
So you put that one in first back there. And you can tell the difference because one has a washer and then the nut.
Yeah.
Yep. So he's just lining it up. Make sure it's going in. Make sure it catches on the other side.
Yep. There we go.
And then if this is not straight for some reason, all he does is use the other bolt and pushes inside and twists it.
Yep.
You got like a little rubber mallet.
I got it. I got it.
And make sure so it can line up. There we go. So he just pulled down on it. Yeah, it's supposed to line up now. There you go.
There we go.
There we go.
Probably about
The quickest install in the I've ever done.
Yeah.
This has to be like the quickest install we ever done on a car.
And an arm too.
In the afternoon after work. Oh, you said an arm. So now, when we go to the alignment rack, guys, all we have to do is loosen up these two bolts right here and on the other side, and then twist this whole thing, and you could adjust the camber. So what happened is when you lower the car, the tire, I'll show you guys when we put the wheels back on and we lower the car. But when the car is in the air, the wheels are straight up and down, but when it touches the ground, the wheels camber in like this. So now that you have that adjustment, you can get some of that negative camber out so the wheel could be up like that. But we'll show you when we put the wheels back on. These little heat shields, FK rocks and stuff, get stuck in here, and so we're trying to figure out why. If anybody have anything in the comments below, let us know. Or yeah, you drive it forward, like as soon as you start moving the car, it starts making a clink clink like the heat shield has a rock in it, but there's nothing in there. So I don't know, it's kind of weird. But yeah, right now we're rotating the wheels, and we are gonna lower the car back down.
Wow.
Nice. Yep. Quality. Nice. RV6 performance. I'll show you guys how it looks. So it's coming down. As you guys can see, it's tucking in. There it goes. Yep. As you guys can see, it's not straight up and down. The wheel is kind of crooked to the side. I'm holding the camera straight. Yeah, I can see how it's crooked. So when we go to the alignment rack, we can take some of that negative camber out. Just made it to the alignment rack, and our boy Richard is going to do alignment on it. So he's pulling it in right now as we speak.
I had coming from the back now. From the back now.
I guess it's the rocks. Yeah, hearing all the little hubs and stuff. The lighting, this thing looks nice. About to do an alignment, go over everything with you guys here. That's it. Just gonna push the car up a little bit. See you guys how the 20 mil spacers look. And you can see how the wheels tilted on the rear like I was showing you guys before. So this is where we're working it right now. I'm surprised the fronts actually line up the same. Remember we tried to put the bolts exactly?
Yeah.
So the fronts are actually negative 1.6 and they're still in spec. But of course we gotta fix the toe. And then the rear, as you guys can see.
I don't understand why that one is so more off.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, the one is negative 2.8 and then that one is negative 2.6. But you can see the toe on this one, and that one is off. So yeah, Rich is gonna take care of us and get us all fixed up. Yeah, so he's loosening up the camber so he can do his adjustments. There we go, breaking it. And then all he has to do is twist it by hand, which is pretty neat to get the camber. See, it looks like it's getting a spec around negative 2.2, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Looks good. As you can see, getting into negative 2.2 might be right there, perfect. So it can still have travel when it hit bumps and stuff. But we'll show you guys at the end. But it looks good. When we did the when we put the struts back in, guys, we try to make sure the bolts lined up exactly how we had it before, and it's still in spec, negative 1.6, which is nice. Now he's gonna adjust the toe right now, but I guess we got lucky on that being exactly the same, so that's dope. Right now he's going to adjust the toe in the front right here, and then it's pretty nice that they had actually the Integra Type S in this alignment.
8, 7, what I don't forget.
Oh, okay, it's right there. Oh, okay. Yeah, it has plenty of space.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm not going to complain about this space. This is perfectly
fine. Oh, it's
still.
perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Here, guys. It's good. I'm really surprised with the camber in the front, which is awesome.
Water and stuff like that.
Yeah, as you guys can see, the resonator right there's only one for the Integra, and then there's no one.
I would recommend. Just
they got like a little cut there. The second resonator would have been there, but it's not there, which is nice. We're just going over some stuff.
Clean it up good.
Spray something underneath there.
Yeah, it's not even that hard because it's a big.
It's dope getting to see underneath the car and everything, and that's what he was adjusting. Looks nice. The RV6 lower control camber arms, swift springs, as you guys can see. You guys can see the exhaust valve on the car. Looks nice. Yep. Guys, so with the negative 2.2, it is looking a lot better. Of course, it's going to be a little bit of camber, but as you guys can see, it's still going to be able to have travel and everything. So it's within factory specs and it is perfect. Looks nice, as you guys saw on the graph, which is pretty dope. So if it hits a bump or anything, still has that travel and it's within factory spec. The front, this one was off pretty bad. It's like negative 2.8, but you got both of them negative 2.2 on each side, exactly the same. This came out really nice. Yep, and still be able to travel up and down, which is nice. Wow, looks good. So car should be driving amazingly, feels good. The interior, man, shout out to Richard for helping us and everything with the alignment, man. A red interior looks sick. Nice. Cool. So now we're gonna take a ride. Have Richard check out the new Integra Type S, and then my dad is gonna take it for a spin. Make sure everything's good. Alright, what's going on, guys? So right now I'm editing the end of the video right now, and I gotta say, guys, after the alignment, my dad noticed a big difference with the 2024 Integra Type S. When you're just running through the gears, getting back onto the gas, the car picks up really nicely with the alignment and everything. The car just gets, the car just gets better and better every time you do something. It drives and feels a lot better. So he noticed a big difference just running through the gears, coming off the gas, getting back on the gas. The car just picks up a lot quicker and nicely. The car shifts a lot better and smoother and everything. Like the car feels like everything is syncing with the transmission and putting the power down to the ground and everything. So he noticed a big difference. One thing I did notice when I was modding my Type R2 is, like, stock, a turbo car, the car really doesn't have any characteristics. You can't hear the turbo spooling, you can't hear the blow-off valve, you can't really hear nothing. You can't even hear like the exhaust note, nothing. But every time you do something, you add an intake, you get the turbo spool up, you get the blow-off valve, you add an exhaust, you finally get to hear some tone of the car. You put some better wheels on the car picks up nicely. You add like little touches, the car just gets better and better and better and better. So that is the dope part about a turbo car and getting to experience this. So this is pretty dope that I get to share this experience with you guys and get to share this experience with my dad as well. Him building his car and all the stuff that he's picking is all the stuff that he wants to do to the car. So that is pretty dope. So guys, any likes, comment that supports the channel definitely will be able to help him get some more mods. And I'm super excited to see what else he does to the car, and I get to share that with you guys. But guys, that's it for the video, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing to drive you to take us up to your goals every single day and make it happen, guys. Also, comment below what is something that you guys love about this new Integra Type S. Comment that below, guys. But that's it for the end of the video. Have a good one. Peace.